Welcome to our quick guide on earning some extra cash online with Beermoney. A fun way to make a little extra on the side. If you've ever wondered how you can turn your spare time into a bit of extra income, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into our top 5 picks from over 30 Beermoney websites and apps that truly stand out. First up is branded surveys. This platform lets you earn money by simply sharing your opinion through short surveys. With a low cash-out threshold of just $5 and an option to earn bonus cash through the loyalty program, it's perfect for both casual and more active users. Next, we have Swagbucks, one of the largest and most popular money-making sites out there. Whether you're answering surveys, watching ads, playing mobile games, or even shopping online, Swagbucks offers various ways to earn rewards. Our third pick is CashKick. As a newer player in the space, CashKick focuses on making money through surveys and paid offers. With surveys that pay between $1 and $2, and some offers even better, you can easily cash out through PayPal once you've earned $10. Moving on to Prime Opinion, a platform known for its high-paying surveys. Along with a $5 sign-up bonus, Prime Opinion offers competitive payouts and a chance to earn even more through its unique leaderboard system. Last on our top 5 list is Cash Giraffe. Perfect for Android users who love mobile gaming, this app not only offers surveys, but also fun gaming tasks that pay directly through PayPal. With an incredibly low cash-out requirement of just 20 cents, Cash Giraffe turns your spare minutes into a rewarding experience. Before you jump in, remember a few key tips. Always check for legitimate opportunities by looking at reviews and ensuring that the payout requirements are reasonable. High bonus promises and overly high earning claims can be red flags. The idea is to enjoy a fun side hustle, not to expect a full-time replacement income. In a nutshell, the world of Beermoney is all about small, manageable rewards that add up over time. These top platforms are tried and tested by a vibrant community of users. Each option provides a quick, engaging way to make some extra cash, whether you're at home or on the go. So explore these Beermoney sites, pick the ones that suit your style, and start earning a little extra on the side.